everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name's Steph. Hi. If you know me already, if you don't, then maybe think about subscribing to my channel. Hope you're all keeping safe and well. Thought we'd do a bit of cooking today, as most of us are stuck indoors and bored. And I must admit, when I'm bored, I usually cook and eat. Anyway, one of my subscribers called Cupcake wanted me to show you how to make the biscuits that my kids decorated the other day. So I'm going to show you how to make them. It's very simple and they do taste very nice. So I'm going to show you to make them and then whatever. Right, first things first, line 2 baking trays with some greaseproof paper. Okay, yeah, I made some rock cakes earlier. If you'd like to know how to make them, I have done a video showing how to make rock cakes. Put your oven on 180. Okay, need plain flour. Okay, I suggest you use a measurer and some scales. Gonna need a rolling pin. Okay, some shapes. I decided to cut my biscuits into some Easterly shapes as it's coming up to Easter, and thought it would be a bit of fun for the kids. Also need some, hold on a minute, some butter, okay, and some vanilla extracts, some vanilla, okay, and last but not least, sugar. Okay, I think that's all the ingredients. Softened butter, 115 grams. Okay, put it into your bowl that you're mixing the biscuits in. Okay, and then we need sugar next, which is 48 grams of sugar. Okay, add your 48 grams to your sugar to your butter. Okay, and then we're going to cream it until it's fluffy and creamy. Mix the butter and the sugar together, creamed it. This is what I class as creamed. When the sugar has completely sort of got into the buttery mixture. Okay, and then we're going to add the flour and then the vanilla extracts and make a dough. Right, we use 200 grams of plain flour. Okay, add that to your buttery sugary mixture like that. Okay, we'll mix it together and then we shall add the vanilla essence. Right, for this part of the recipe, when you're mixing the butter and the flour and the sugar mixture together, best thing to do is get your hands in there. It's much easier to form a dough, and this is what it looks like before I add the vanilla. But get your hands in there and, you know, yeah, it will be quite crumbly mixture at the moment because we haven't added any water or any vanilla essence. But, okay, get those hands in. To go and give them a wash. Is just adding your vanilla essence. Okay, I'm going to add 3 teaspoons. Okay, one, 2. Obviously, this is a vanilla biscuit. If you don't like vanilla, don't put vanilla in it. Anyway, it's 3 of them. Okay. Added the vanilla essence. Right, it's still a very crumbly mixture, as you can see. So I'm going to add a tablespoonful of water at a time until it makes a dough. Okay, that you can use. Okay, it will be crumbly. It is a crumbly dough. Okay, so I've added 1 teaspoon. It's still very, very crumbly, so I'm going to add 1 more, and see if that helps make a dough. But as you can see, it's coming together. Right, I've added another teaspoon of water, so that's 2 teaspoonfuls of water, and this is what I've got, which is perfect. Okay, so take it out of this bowl now, and we're going to roll it out and then cut it into shapes. Flour your worktop, ready to roll out your mixture. Put some flour on your rolling pin, okay, and then we're going to roll it out. So try to get as much out of the mixture as you can, put them as close as they can. To lift them up off the worktop, I suggest you use a spatula, okay, because they can stick. Then put them straight onto your baking. See, I've cut out one lot, and I've got more than I thought I was going to get. I still have this mixture left, so I'm going to roll this back up again, fold it all back up together, all the pieces. Should be able to get quite a few more out of this. Okay, so just knead it all back together, roll it out again, can do some more cutting. Right. In the end, I managed to make quite a few. I think it's because the cutters were quite small, but as you can see, I made quite a few. If you don't want to ice them, then I suggest sprinkling some sugar on top of them. But if you're going to ice them, then obviously you don't need to sprinkle sugar. Okay, now we're going to bake them and see what they taste like. Right, this is what the biscuits look like when they've come out the oven. Okay, all goldy brown. Okay, I decided that I might keep some of them just sugar on, and then I might ice some of the others. Okay, anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and enjoy making biscuits. Bye. Boy, 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 boy. Boy.